Is your crypto truly safe? In a world where headlines scream about hacks, scams, and stolen digital fortunes, it's a question that keeps every crypto holder up at night. You've probably taken steps, strong passwords, two-factor authentication, but what about the very device holding your private keys, your gateway to the blockchain? Today, we're diving deep into the security of a popular hardware wallet, the ELLIPAL. Now, hardware wallets are often touted as the gold standard for crypto security, and for good reason. They keep your private keys offline, shielded from the constant threats lurking online. But not all hardware wallets are created equal. So, let's peel back the layers and see just how safe the ELLIPAL ecosystem truly is. One of ELLIPAL's standout features is its air-gapped design. This means it has no physical connection, no USB port, no Bluetooth, no Wi-Fi. Communication happens solely through QR codes. This drastically reduces the attack surface, eliminating entire classes of vulnerabilities that plague connected devices. Think about it. If there's no physical or wireless pathway, it's significantly harder for malicious actors to remotely access your device and, more importantly, your private keys. But air-gapping is just one piece of the puzzle. What about the hardware itself? ELLIPAL devices often feature tamper-evident seals. This is a crucial physical security measure. If someone has tried to physically open or tamper with your device, these seals will show visible signs, alerting you before you even power it on. This adds a vital layer of protection against supply chain attacks or malicious tampering. Beyond the physical, let's talk about the software. ELLIPAL utilizes a secure element, a dedicated hardware chip designed to protect sensitive information like your private keys. These chips are specifically engineered to resist physical and software attacks, providing a robust vault for your most critical data. Furthermore, the firmware undergoes regular updates, addressing potential vulnerabilities and incorporating the latest security enhancements. It's essential to always ensure your device is running the latest firmware to benefit from these improvements. Of course, no security solution is foolproof, and user behavior plays a significant role. Even the most secure hardware wallet can be compromised if best practices aren't followed. This includes securely storing your recovery phrase, those 12 or 24 words that are your ultimate backup. Never store them digitally, never share them with anyone, and keep them in a safe, physical location. Another aspect to consider is the transparency and reputation of the company behind the wallet. ELLIPAL has been in the market for a while and has generally maintained a positive reputation within the crypto community. However, it's always wise to do your own research, read reviews from trusted sources, and stay informed about any potential security concerns that might arise. So, coming back to our initial question, how safe is ELLIPAL? The answer, based on its air-gap design, tamper-evident hardware, secure element, and regular software updates, is that it offers a very strong level of security for your cryptocurrency holdings. The air-gap nature, in particular, provides a significant advantage over connected hardware wallets. However, remember that security is a multi-layered approach, and your own vigilance in handling your device and recovery phrase is equally crucial. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.